Good morning children, welcome to your GK class. So this video is for class 4 and today we are doing page number 15 computer icons and page number 16 doctor from your GK book. Okay, so please get ready with these two pages in your GK book. Please open the pages and write down today's date. So let's start our class. So first we'll be doing computer icons, okay, and it is about exploring science. The topic comes under exploring science and this is about computers. So here some pictures are shown children and you have to write the names of this computer icons using the help box. So you know that you see many pictures in the computer. So these are some pictures which are related to computers. So we are going to see the pictures and we are going to write down the names of each. Okay, so let's begin children. So we'll take the help of help box. So first one children is a picture you can see like a cassette. So that is shown in the computer and that stands for save, S-A-V-E, save. So this is number 1. Okay, save is number 1. And number 2 you can see this is a picture of a scissor and scissor is used for cutting. So in computer we use this picture to cut. So this is your number 2. Number 3 is you can see the picture of a dustbin, a trash bin you can see, and in the computer that is also called recycle bin. Okay, so whatever you delete it goes and gets stored in the recycle bin. So that is your number 3. So this is number 3. Now we are coming to number 4. You can see a magnifying glass and a piece of paper and this actually stands for search. This actually means search. Okay, so with the help of this magnifier glass we help ourselves to search something in the computer. So this stands for search. So this search is your number 4. And here in number 5 you can see that there are 2 pages, okay, and one is folded slightly, so that means it is copy. This picture represents copy, like when you are copying and pasting it somewhere. So that is this picture represents copy. So if you press on this, this is going to copy everything whatever you have done. So this stands for copy, number 5. Okay children, next one you can see this is a picture of a folder, like a file where you keep all the important papers. So this is a folder. So in computer it means a folder. So this is number 6. And next, number 7, you can see a machine from where the paper is coming out. Everybody knows about this. So this is a printer and it helps us to print. So this is number 7. This is print. So it helps us to print. And the last one you can see there is a picture of a cardboard and then there is a piece of paper which is also folded. So that time in number 5 I told you that there was a paper which was slightly folded, and here also the same paper is slightly folded. That means it is copying and pasting. So this one is paste. When it's a cardboard and only one paper been slightly folded, it is pasted. And when you see 2 papers, one is folded, that is copy. Okay, so this stands for paste. So this is your number 8. Okay children, so this way you are going to complete this page. Alright, so now we move on to our next page, which is also known as doctor. So when we fall sick, we often hear people use special medical terms. You know, some terms are related, some words are very much related to the medical world. So we are going to learn about such words today. Fill in the missing letters to get the correct words. So let's start. Number 1, this is a vehicle that is used for taking sick or injured people to the hospital. So here you see there is a picture of an ambulance, isn't it? So this is a vehicle. So when you are sick, this vehicle helps us to carry those injured people to the hospital. So this is ambulance. Next, number 2, it is a sheet of paper on which doctor writes the names of medicines you should have. So here you can see a doctor and a patient. So after showing to a doctor, what happens? He prescribes some medicine and he writes it in a piece of paper. So that paper in which he writes the names of the medicines you should have, that is known as prescription. 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 Okay, children. So now number 3, this is a small, usually round doses of medicine. So this is known as tablet. So you must have seen a tablet. So these are some tablets, the picture of some tablets you can see out here. So this answer will be tablet, TABLET. So this is a dose of medicine which the doctors usually give when you are sick. Number 4, this is a medical instrument used to listen to the heartbeat of a person. So when you go to a doctor, so what does he do? He just uses an instrument which is around his neck, and then the other side he puts on your heart, and he tries to check something on your chest. He tells you to breathe in and breathe out. So that instrument is known as stethoscope. Okay, you can see the picture out here. This is a picture of a stethoscope. Okay, you can see the picture of a stethoscope out here. So this is stethoscope, STETHOSCOPE. Okay. Number 5, it is a tube with a needle used to inject or withdraw fluids into or from a person's body. So everybody is very scared of this, isn't it? Usually children, they are very scared of this. So it is like a tube, and it has got a very sharp needle, you can see out here, and that needle is used to put something inside your body or to take out some fluids from your body, and that is known as syringe, SYRINGE. Okay, so this is syringe. Number 6, this is a loosely woven cotton that is used as a bandage. So we often keep this in our first aid box also. So this is like a bandage, and it is very loosely cotton that is used. So here you can see the picture of the bandage. So this is known as gauze. Okay, GAUGE. So this is a gauze. Okay, now next one, you can see the picture is also given beside. So this instrument is used for measuring the temperature of a human body. So when you are having fever and you want to record your temperature, you use this instrument. All right, and here you can see this is a thermometer, THERMOMETER. So this, you can see it's a thin instrument, you can see, and if you put it inside your mouth, and then you measure the temperature of your body, usually when you are suffering from a fever. Okay, so this is all about your medical instruments which usually is used. These are some of the words which are very, very important in the medical terms. Okay, so you should know about it. So this is the end of this page number 16, children. So we are going to do only these 2 pages today. All right, this much for today, children. Thank you very much.